Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make 30-minute Indian butter chicken. Butter chicken originated in Delhi, India in the 1950s and quickly became one of the most popular Indian dishes in the world. And today I'm going to show you how to make it in 30 minutes. To start, you'll need 1.5 to 2 pounds of cubed chicken. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breast because it cooks faster. Add in 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt, along with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, which is an Indian spice mix, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You'll stir this in so that all of the chicken is coated. Then you'll let this marinate in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. Traditionally, this chicken would be cooked in a tandoori oven, but I'm guessing you don't have one at home like me, so we're gonna just use a skillet. We're gonna cook the chicken in a large, heavy skillet over medium-high heat. It'll take about 5 to 7 minutes to cook the chicken through, depending on how big or small you cut your pieces. I can already smell the spices. It smells so good. Once the chicken is cooked through, remove it from the pan and set it aside. Wipe out the pan real quick. Then we'll start our butter sauce by melting 6 tablespoons of salted butter or ghee. Add in 1 white diced onion and we're gonna saute this for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, the onions will start to get soft, and then you're going to add in 1 minced jalapeno, 2 minced cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of plain paprika, or you can use Indian chili powder if you can find it, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and we'll throw 1/2 teaspoon of salt in there as well. We're gonna toast this for about 60 to 90 seconds. Last, pour in 1 cup of tomato sauce, which is just pureed tomato, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Stir this all together and it should come to a simmer almost immediately. Then we'll put the chicken back into the skillet, give it a stir to combine. The chicken should warm back up pretty quickly, and then you are ready to eat. Serve this up hot over cooked rice, maybe with a side of naan. You can garnish with freshly chopped cilantro. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.